Which skin tightening facial device is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the real answers. Today, we're uncovering the best options to help you achieve firmer, younger-looking skin. Product number 1, New Derma Handheld Skin Therapy Wand. First up is the Pure Daily Care New Derma Handheld Skin Therapy Wand. Priced at $62.96, this device caught my attention as a bestseller with over 21,000 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating. If you want to boost your skin's energy and tackle those signs of aging, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The New Derma uses neon applicators to increase cellular activity, essentially giving your skin a workout. It enhances ATP production, which helps fight sagging skin and wrinkles. Regular sessions can lead to a smoother, brighter complexion and make your serums work up to 5 times better. People have reported that after just one session, their skin feels revitalized. Now, some users did mention that it can cause mild skin sensitivity. Here's the thing though, if you have sensitive skin, you might want to start with shorter sessions or consult a dermatologist. It's not a deal breaker, especially for those eager to rejuvenate their skin. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable, effective solution for anti-aging. Skip this one if you have extremely sensitive skin or are looking for a completely hands-off device. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the sensitivity aspect worried you, the next device takes a gentler approach. Product number 2, INIA 3-in-1 Red Light Therapy Device. Next is the INIA 3-in-1 Red Light Therapy Device, priced at $84.99. This device is getting a lot of buzz with a 4.5-star rating from over 1,300 reviews. If you want a versatile tool that tackles puffiness while firming your skin, this device deserves your attention. With 3 modes, lift, tighten, and infuse, this device customizes your skincare experience. The lift mode helps restore vitality to dull skin through vibration, while the tighten mode combines vibrations with red light therapy, reducing fine lines. The infuse mode enhances absorption of your favorite serums, ensuring they penetrate effectively. However, a few users found that the device takes a bit of time to show noticeable results. But let's be real, good things take time, especially with skincare. The gradual results can be more satisfying in the long run, so don't let that discourage you. This is a great choice if you're looking for an all-in-one device for face and neck care. Skip it if you expect instant results or if you're looking for a very basic device. It offers great value considering its multiple functions. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for deeper skincare needs. Product number 3, INIA Flare Microcurrent Facial Device. Now let's talk about the INIA Flare Microcurrent Facial Device, priced at $109.99. With a 4.4-star rating from over 540 reviews, it seems to be a popular choice. If you're focused on firming up your skin while enjoying a bit of luxury, this is definitely worth considering. The lift mode energizes tired skin with vibrations and red light, while tighten improves firmness and texture. It's designed to help your skincare products work even better. That said, some users found the price a bit steep compared to simpler devices. But the technology packed into this one means you're investing in something that gives you a spa-like experience at home. If you're serious about your skincare, the extra investment could be worth it. This device is great for those who want a comprehensive and luxurious skincare routine. Skip this if you're on a budget or prefer something simpler. It's a higher price, but the quality and technology back it up. Now, if the price is a concern, this next option provides some fantastic features without breaking the bank. Product number 4, GLO24K LED Facial Massager. Coming up is the GLO24K LED Facial Massager, priced at $79.99. With a 4.3-star rating from 2,600 reviews, it's another solid choice. If you want a device that's easy to use and fits seamlessly into your self-care routine, keep listening. Plus, it works well with your favorite serums and moisturizers, ensuring you're getting the most out of your skincare products. However, a handful of users reported that it may require a bit of practice to get the technique right. Look, here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the results can be quite satisfying, so don't be put off by that initial learning curve. This is perfect for you if you enjoy incorporating technology into your daily skincare. Skip it if you're looking for something more high-tech or intensive. It's a good value for a gentle, effective skincare routine. Now, if you're still not sold on this approach, the final product might just be the answer you're looking for. Product number 5, INIA Red Light Therapy Device. Finally, we have another option from INIA, their red light therapy device priced at $84.98. With a 4.5-star rating and more than 1,000 units sold recently, this device is making waves. If your goal is to enhance your skincare routine without too much fuss, this could be the one for you. This device combines red light therapy with vibration for enhanced skin firmness and a smoother appearance. It also includes a unique design that adapts to your facial contours, making it easy to use. Plus, it strengthens your skin barrier and improves absorption of skincare products. Some customers noted that it might take a little while for results to show, which can be a bit frustrating. But here's my take: good skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. The gradual improvements can be much more rewarding. This is ideal for you if you want a straightforward, effective tool for everyday use. Skip it if you need something with more advanced features or if you're looking for immediate results. For its price, it's a smart addition to your beauty arsenal. So to sum it up, the Pure Daily Care Nuderma is a great value for anti-aging. The INIA devices offer advanced features for those willing to invest a bit more, while the GLO 24K provides an easy-to-use option for daily skincare. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to what suits your needs. Happy tightening!